Sometimes the toughest part of the Bahnhof Sports Ski Test at Boyne Mountain is deciding which ski is your favorite. And I'll tell you, this one's going to be right up there in the top 2 or 3 by the end of the test. It's the new Blizzard 8.4 Quattro. It initiated beautifully, easy to get into a turn, but at any speed and any size of the radius of the turn, it held like a champ. It's just a classic Blizzard ski, and I think anybody would benefit by grabbing a pair of 8.4 Quattros from the Bahnhof.